We've all been scammed by a fake checkered background. You click download on a transparent PNG, drop it into your project, and it's just a solid white square. Or worse, you're trapped in 20 minutes of sketchy ad loops and CAPC chase. It completely ruins your creative flow. So I did the grinding for you. I tested 15 free PNG websites to find out which ones actually let you click save with zero hassle. Let's look at the winners. First up is Clean PNG, and this one immediately stands out just from the sheer size of the library. We're talking over 12.6 million PNG resources. So what I'm doing here is typing cloud into the search bar and hitting enter. Now look at this. Instead of just a wall of images, you've got this table of contents section that breaks everything down by category. Abstract cloud, cartoon cloud, dreamy cloud, each one showing you how many images are available. That's actually really useful when you know the vibe you want but not the exact search term. I'm clicking into Cloud PNG by category now, and I'll go with Abstract Cloud. I'm selecting this one, Multiple White Cloud Illustration. On the image page, you can see all the details, dimensions, format, everything. And the best part? Completely free to download. And in most cases, you don't even need to log in. I'm clicking free download now. Okay, so sometimes a security check pops up here. If it does, just click I'm human. Drag the shape into the matching outline. Hit verify. Done. Takes about 10 seconds. Now I'll click free download. One more time, and there it is. High quality transparent background ready to go. Clean PNG is a solid first stop. Next is PNG file, and this one has something that honestly surprised me. I'm searching cloud again here. Okay, so results load up. About 30 or so cloud related images. I'm clicking on this black cloud one. Now here's what I want you to notice. Look at the licensing information on this page. It clearly says these images can be used for commercial projects without any attribution required. That means you can use them in client work, monetize videos, websites, and you don't have to credit anyone. That's genuinely rare, and it makes PNG file worth bookmarking for that reason alone. You've also got file size options, small, medium, and large. I'm going with large for the best quality. Clicking download now. Done. Fast, clean, no drama. Excellent quality on that file too. PNG MAG has over 116,000 free PNG images and clipart resources. And it's one of the better organized sites on this list. You can browse by category, use the alphabetical directory, A through Z, or just use the search bar, which is what I'm doing now. Typing cloud, clicking search big collection, multiple pages of results. I'm opening this cloud PNG here. Nice transparent background in the preview. Now, one thing I want to flag. See this download PNG image button? When I tested this, clicking it didn't always start the download right away. So if that happens to you, don't panic. The fix is simple. Just right-click directly on the image, select Save Image As, choose where you want to save it, and hit Save. And that's it. Downloads perfectly. Full quality, transparent background intact. Just good to know that workaround up front. PNG Wing is one I keep coming back to, and there are two specific reasons why. I'm searching cloud here. See this? Right in the search results, before I even open any image, I can already see the resolution and the file size of each PNG. That saves so much time. You're not clicking into 10 different images just to figure out if they're good enough. I'm selecting this white cloud PNG. The image page also shows you related tags and keywords, which is handy for finding similar resources. One important note on licensing here. PNG Wing works well for personal projects, YouTube videos, educational content, blogging, that kind of thing. For commercial use, take a moment to review their licensing terms before using the image. Clicking download PNG now. If an ad pops up, just close it and continue. Files downloading, and the quality looks great. PNG All is one that flies under the radar a bit, but it has a feature I actually find really helpful, matching cloud now. So here's what's different. See how it's not just showing me cloud images. It's also suggesting related terms right at the top. Rain cloud, thunder cloud, rainy cloud. All these variations I might not have thought to search for. When you're in design mode and looking for something specific, but you're not sure exactly what, those suggestions can point you in the right direction fast. You can hover your mouse over any image to see the dimensions and file size without clicking into it. I'm selecting this one now, clicking through to the download page, hitting download free PNG image. And there we go. Clean transparent background, good resolution. PNG Egg is pretty similar in layout to a few others we've seen. But there's one thing it does better than almost any site on this list. I'm searching cloud. Selecting this white cloud PNG, 650 by 650 pixels. Clicking download PNG for free. Did you see that? The file was already downloading. No countdown timer, no extra click, no pop-up to close. Just instant. For those moments when you're in a time crunch and need a file right now, PNG Egg is the one to go to. Quality is clean. Transparent background is solid. Fast and reliable. FAV PNG is bigger than just PNGs. You've also got logos, calendars, templates, backgrounds, graphic elements. It's more of a full design asset platform, reaching cloud now. Over 40,000 results, which is honestly almost too many. But the related search suggestions at the top help you zero in faster. I'm clicking on this particular image. You can see the title Fluffy White Cloud, and the file size is around 6.5 megabyte. Good quality preview. For personal use, most of the resources here are free to download. Some may require attribution, so check the image page. For commercial rights, they do have premium plans. Clicking download PNG now. There's a countdown timer here, about 10 seconds, and then the download starts automatically. Worth the short wait. Final quality is excellent. Clean transparent background, high resolution. Kind PNG has around 2 million transparent PNG images. And the thing I appreciate most about this site is how clean the experience is. I'm searching cloud here. Right away, you've got 3 filter options clearly visible: size, orientation, and color. They're not buried in a side menu, they're right there. That's a small thing, but it makes a real difference when you're moving fast. There are also related keyword suggestions, which help you explore similar options. I'm selecting this white cloud PNG, clicking through to the image page. Hitting free download. File starts downloading right away. Good quality, transparent background, exactly what you'd expect. Kind PNG keeps things simple, and that's why it works. PNG Key describes itself as one of the largest collections of transparent PNGs online. And with over 1.1 million files in matching cloud here, over 2,500 results. That's where the filtering system on the left side becomes essential. I can filter by size, large or medium, by image type, and even by specific color combinations. So if I need a white cloud versus a gray stormy cloud, I can get there quickly. See those additional suggestions at the top too. Cloud vector, white cloud, helpful if you want to narrow the style down further. Each thumbnail also shows the resolution, and in many cases you can see how many people have downloaded it. That popularity indicator is actually a useful signal. If a lot of people are downloading something, it's usually because the quality is worth it. I'm selecting this dark cloud PNG, hitting download transparent PNG. Instant download, transparent background, excellent quality. PNG Key is a serious resource if you're doing this regularly. Now this one is a bit different from everything else on the list. Worth knowing about for a specific reason. Magnific AI isn't a PNG library. It's an AI-powered tool that enhances and upscales images. So if you've grabbed a PNG from one of the other sites and the resolution isn't quite high enough for your project, Magnific can sharpen it up significantly using AI. You do need to create an account to use it, and some of the more advanced features are on a paid plan. I'm searching cloud here to show you what the platform looks like. You can see it offers different image styles and formats. If a PNG version is available for an asset, just select PNG before downloading. One thing to always check here: licensing. Some assets may require attribution, and commercial use may be restricted on the free tier. Review before you use. But the quality of what comes out of this tool, especially when you're upscaling, is genuinely impressive. Small, soft images come out looking sharp and detailed. Keep Magnific in your back pocket for those situations. Stick PNG is the most no-frills site on this list, and that's actually a compliment. Clean results, easy to browse. I'm selecting this cloud image here. Now look at the preview. You can see it's sitting on a transparent background in the preview window itself, before you even download anything. That's a nice touch. You know exactly what you're getting. Clicking download, short countdown, about 10 seconds, and then the download starts automatically. Final result: clean, sharp, transparent. If you ever feel overwhelmed by sites with too many buttons and ads and pop-ups, Stick PNG is your antidote. Raw Pixel is one I'd recommend to anyone who does design work regularly because it's more than just PNG images. Photos, illustrations, mockups, fonts, backgrounds, vectors, it's all here. But the PNG collection is strong too. I'm searching cloud here. Mix of formats in the results: PNGs, JPGs, vectors. I'm selecting this black cloud image, checking that it has a transparent background in the preview. Clicking the free download button. Here's something genuinely useful about Raw Pixel. Many of their free resources don't require attribution. That's uncommon in this space. Download starts almost instantly, and the quality is sharp, high resolution, transparent background. Everything you want. PNG Tree is the biggest platform on this entire list. Over 30 million design assets, PNGs, vectors, backgrounds, templates, PowerPoint slides, and even an AI PNG maker built right into the site. I'm searching cloud here, now. Hover over any image in the results, and it'll show you immediately whether it's free or premium. That saves you from clicking into something and then finding out you'd need to pay. I'm selecting this realistic white cloud PNG. On this page, you'll see the licensing options. For personal projects, educational work, non-commercial use, the free plan works. For commercial projects, they have individual premium and enterprise plans. You do need to be signed in to download, so make sure you're logged into your account. Clicking download PNG now. A pop-up appears asking free plan or premium plan. I'm selecting free plan for this demo. With the free plan, you get access to millions of resources with a daily download limit, and attribution is required for most files. You'll see the attribution text on the download page. Copy it and include it in your project. File downloads automatically after a few seconds, and the result is excellent. High resolution, clean, transparent background. For the sheer volume of resources available, PNG Tree is hard to beat. Vecteezy is primarily known as a vector platform, but the PNG section is solid. Look at all the filter options on the left: license type, content type, AI generated versus human made, orientation, color. I'm switching to the PNG category now. And now I'll apply the free license filter. So now I'm only seeing PNG images that are genuinely free to use. Much cleaner set of results. I'm selecting this white cloud PNG. You'll see the download option says free download. Attribution required. That's the standard deal for the free tier. If you can include attribution, this is a great resource. File starts coming in quickly. Sharp, clean, professional looking result. Last one, raw PNG. This is the straightforward option for when you just need something quick without going through a big platform. I'm typing cloud into the search bar. Now the results are focused. I'm selecting this realistic storm cloud. On the image page, you can see the file format, file size, and dimension.now. I click on the free download button. It provides high resolution image and no attribution required, and it saves automatically. Transparent background, clean result. Nothing fancy, but it works exactly when you need it to. And that's all 15. Quick recap of the ones I'd personally reach for first. If you want the most options without logging in, clean PNG for commercial use with zero attribution stress. PNG FileVen speed matters. PNG Jeg for the biggest library overall. PNG Tree. And if you need to enhance a PNG you already have, Magnific Aeon thing I'll say. If this saved you some time, drop a like on the video. It actually helps a lot.